So I am kind of laying here next to this columbine. It's probably one of my favorite flowers. It's called Clementine Salmon Rose. I don't know if that'll focus. And it has really beautiful flowers, but it needs to be cleaned up for the year. So this is what I do. Here are all the new leaves. They kind of remind me of four-leaf clovers a little bit. And these are all the old stems, so usually they just kind of easily pull away. They're very dry. They're like straw. Of course, you can remove all the leaves that have flown in here over the winter and fall. And for the ones that don't want to just pull out, you can cut them all the way down to where they meet the stem or the new growth, the ground, whatever. Oops. It also has some leftover leaves that have some what looks like winter burn, so those can be cut as well. They're not going to get any prettier. It's basically the same thing you're going to do in the fall. Here's another withered stem. Oops, I accidentally cut off a little leaf, but that's okay. And that's it. That's how you clean a columbine. And you can do this for pretty much any kind of columbine that I know of anyway. I love how the columbine catches the rain. The raindrops glow all the way from over here. And soon, this will look like this. Here it is, like maybe 13 days later.